Hello, my name is Rose, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Renew before you actually buy the product. I also have some very important warnings, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. If you're eager to discover the truth behind the pitfalls some encounter when purchasing Renew, stick around until the end of this video. The first thing you need to know about Renew is, be careful with the website where you buy Renew, as it is only sold on the official website. To simplify your shopping experience and protect your investment, I have included the official website link below in the description of this video. You may be wondering if Renew really works, and the answer is yes. Renew really works and has already changed the lives of more than 214,000 people. Inside each Renew capsule is a proprietary formula of 100% natural supernutrients that work perfectly together to improve your metabolism, give you more energy, improve your quality of deep sleep, and your overall health. Renew is the world's first and only comprehensive nutritional formula designed to dramatically improve deep sleep, fat burning, and metabolism, while turning back the clock in every way possible. Science has recently discovered that optimizing deep sleep helps improve everything to do with fat burning and metabolism, along thousands of regenerative processes throughout the body. That's why Renew is so effective at keeping you healthy, energized, and looking and feeling your best. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Renew, and you can have results too. Also, something I really appreciate about Renew is that it is FDA approved, non-GMO, and GMP certified, so there is no risk to your health even if you are taking other medications. You can complement your treatment or have this natural solution without any risk. Another thing I appreciate about Renew is that you have a money-back guarantee. You have the opportunity to test Renew for a full 60 days and witness its effects firsthand or receive a refund. We're so confident that Renew will change your life for the better in every way that matters, that we've got you covered completely with an ironclad 100% money-back guarantee. But for the Renew function to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day or you won't see good results, and you will get a little frustrated. You may see initial results within the first month, but most people experience the best results after 3 months of using this product. Also important for you to know, Renew has no side effects as it is natural. For your convenience, we have provided a link below to the official website, where you can enjoy a fantastic discount and the peace of mind that comes with a money-back guarantee. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I helped you and see you next time. Goodbye.